Are you a woman aged 50 or even beyond, really trying to navigate menopause with symptoms like weight gain and crazy hot flashes and even brain fog? What if the answers to relief were already written in the stars based on your unique astrological birth chart? Would you want to know more? Astrology really is a fascinating science. And if you're anything like me, I bet you're a little bit obsessed already and wanting to uncover these secrets. So I would love to have you join me on my free masterclass called Astrology Meets Menopause. And you will learn how those four elements of astrology, fire, earth, air, and water, really influence your symptoms, and which of those four elements needs to be activated first. And then you're going to walk away with a simple astrology based action plan to get you started. And of course, there is going to be a bonus gift for attending live. So spots are extremely limited, and I'm going to encourage you to register now. And I am really looking forward to seeing you on the inside.